Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year. Welcome to 2021. I'm currently sitting here in my office and we are going to set the intentions for 2021 today. So today I wanted to really start the year off on a good note, and I wanted to organize all of my stuff, just be in a good headspace. And in order to do that, I need to do some decluttering, some organization, and just get everything in order so that we can start the new year off on a good note. I'm sitting here, and if you see me looking back, I'm just admiring my fiddle leaf because yesterday was the first, and I have had so much trouble with this tree. And when I first bought it, it was kind of sad, and she's been a little bit picky. So I've had to kind of rotate her like in different parts of the room. And anyway, I repotted her, and I've been watering her and rotating her because I read that they like to be rotated to get the sunlight in different directions. So I've been doing that, watering, and I've also bought a mister from Amazon, which has helped me so much. And I think that's what really made the difference, because I have been spraying the leaves like every few days, and that really made a difference because 2 leaves came out, and for a while nothing had happened, and now another leaf sprouted yesterday on the 1st, and it was just like a sign, like new beginnings, the new leaf, you know what I mean? Anyway, I was so happy yesterday, I could seriously cry. And yeah, I'm gonna show that to you right now, and then let's just get started with the day. Here is the mister that I bought from Amazon, and it's great. It just works so well, and I just missed all of the leaves, and I think that's what has really made a huge difference. But look at that. Oh, I'm so excited. Now we are in my closet, and I kind of started yesterday. I kind of took out some things that I just no longer needed, and now I have everything up here, and things that I want to put away for now, or things that I'm not currently using, not in season. So I bought some storage baskets from Target. I'll have them linked down below, but let me show them to you. So they look like this, and they're pretty big, and I'm hoping that they fit up there. So I'm going to fold all of my stuff right now and put it into these bins, and then first organize all this up here. I organized all my stuff now, and this is how it's looking. So starting here, I eliminated all of the makeup and just narrowed it down to this. I organized all of my polishes, and then I added my bobby pins and hair clips here. I just put all my jewelry on this jewelry stand for now, and I put up all of my shorts and dresses in that basket, and just extra sweaters in there, jeans, and holiday stuff that I won't use for another 10 to 12 months. So that's all up there. And then I freed up all of these hangers. I have all of my long sleeves and just tops and dresses and my jackets and my coats, and then basically these are all just sweaters, and then my robes there, and that's basically it. And then all of my work tops are all down here. This is way better than it was. I eliminated a lot, and I put away a lot of things that I'm just not going to wear for a few months, and that really cleared up a lot of space. I have this entire empty area here, and I'm not sure what I'm gonna do here, but I'm thinking of creating like a little vanity here, maybe add a mirror, and probably some more like storage areas for some of my stuff. And that's basically it. And then I have all of this up there too. So I have a lot of space now that I can use. Cleared out our space here. All right, time to plant our fiddle leaf. There it is, its new home. I hope that it likes it here. Okay, so here is a pantry. I'm going to quickly just put everything together where it belongs, and that's basically it, but it's pretty much all organized already. I just need to rearrange some stuff and put some things into their bins. Okay, so here is how the pantry is looking after we organized this the last time. I really haven't had to do much cleaning in here. We've kept everything pretty organized, and there's just a few things that don't fit into the bins anymore, so I might have to buy another just to add like all the extras, but we have all of the spices now on the rack. And then we have these, which really helped keep all of these larger things together and not all over the place. And yes, so I might have to rewrite some of the labels here, but other than that, everything is pretty much in its place and looks good. Alright everyone, that is going to conclude today's video. I feel so much better having everything in its place, everything in order, and just decluttering. It feels so good. I am wishing you all the best in 2021. I hope all of you have a wonderful year filled with happiness and good health, and I am sending you all the positive vibes. Thank you all for being here. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace out.